We often have unused clothes, shoes, and accessories that we no longer want or never wanted in the first place, which could be the perfect fit for someone else. Based on this point, Poshmark comes and become a huge success. So, what is Poshmark? It is a social e-commerce marketplace where users can buy and sell mainly new and used fashion, home goods, and electronics to make some extra cash. Hi everyone, this is your host Tajid, and today we'll talk about Poshmark and how you can list your first item on this mobile responsive marketplace. So, keep watching. First of all, let's talk about some of the basic points. Like Poshmark is currently available on United States, Canada and Australia. So outside these countries, you cannot take the benefits of Poshmark. On Poshmark, there is a designation called Posh Ambassadors. They are the members of Poshmark community who have access to social benefits for their high activity on the platform. Poshmark offers this designation to let people know this seller is a reliable seller. After a member or use certain criteria for buying and selling, you can become a Poshmark ambassador or PA2. People will feel more confident buying from you knowing that you are an ambassador. Let's talk about Poshmark fees. Poshmark fees are simple and easy to understand. For all sales under $15, Poshmark charge a flat commission of $2.95. You keep the rest of the sale price. For sales of $15 or more, you keep 80% of the sale price and Poshmark commission is 20%. Once your sale has been delivered and received by your buyer, the earnings from your sale are yours. You can spend your earnings within the app or withdraw them as cash at any time. There are two ways you get paid by Poshmark. Number one is Poshmark credits and other one is direct deposit. You can easily set up a direct deposit using a check or your online banking details. Well, what's about the return on Poshmark? Actually, return is not permitted on this platform unless the item is counterfeit or does not match the description. This means that the item must have a defect that the seller did not disclose, or it must be a different size than what was listed. Another important point, on Poshmark there is a service called Posh Authenticate, which are luxury items valued at $500 or more. Items are authenticated by Poshmark HQ or trusted independent suppliers or resellers. Poshmark encourages buyers and sellers to communicate thoroughly before, during, and after each transaction. Now, let's move forward to the main part, how you can list an item on Poshmark. First of all, you need to have an account on Poshmark. You can easily create it with the help of Google or Facebook account. When you have an account, simply log in and click on the Sell on Poshmark option, usually located in the top right corner. This action will initiate the process of creating a listing for the item you want to sell. Add photos. You can upload up to 8 photos of your item to showcase it clearly. Use good lighting and take photos from different angles, including close-up of any details or unique features. If there are any flaws or imperfection, it is important to include clear photos of these as well as mention them in the description. Write a descriptive title. Now craft a title that accurately describes our item within 80 characters, including the brand, key features, size, colors, and style. Remember, a good title helps potential buyers find our item when they are searching on Poshmark. Provide detailed description. Write a thorough description of the item. Provide as much as information as possible. Mention the item's condition, for example, new, gently used, like new, materials, measurements, if applicable, and any other relevant details. We have to be honest about any flaws, errors, or damage, as this builds trust with buyers. Select the item category. Poshmark offers different categories, for example, women, men, kids, accessories, home, to help buyers find our item. Choose the category that fit best to our item. For example, if I want to sell a women dress, then select the women category. Quantity and size. For products with only one size, we have to choose single. If there are multiple sizes or variations available, select multi-item and provide the corresponding variation information. Set the price. Now we have to choose a competitive price according to the item's brand, condition, original price and current market demand. We can research similar items on Poshmark to get an idea of appropriate pricing. Consider offering a slight discount from the original price to attract potential buyers. List item. Last but not least, give an final check before moving forward. Check those photos, titles, description, prices, and shipping options. If everything ready to rock, hit the list button to publish your item. So there you have it. If you face any difficulties or need any further assistance, feel free to ask us on the comment box or mail us at info@ecomclips.com. We will be happy to assist you. If you find this video helpful, please do favor by hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you soon on the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, see you soon.